So the Manus AI agent can now generate multiple images with just one prompt, and this is very useful if you want to generate variants of something, or you want to get some inspiration from several different angles or pictures. Then you can use this AI agent. For example, I asked Manus to generate a variation of this building, which is right now has no paint, but I want to get some visualization about what the building would look like on a different paint color. And Manus AI gave me several options, like there is this gray paint, there is this black paint, which kind of strange, but there is also this white paint that I think looks quite appropriate for this building. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Manus AI to generate several pictures with just one prompt. So let's navigate to manus.im, and then you can log in with your account. And if you don't have an account, you can join the tool for free, because right now they are opening the tool for everyone. It used to be invite only, but now it is available for everyone, and you will get 1000 credits upon signing up to Manus AI. Now I'm going to be using this prompt, and basically I want to generate several color variations of this product. Now let me click this button and click choose local files, and I'm going to select this product. And basically I want to create multiple pictures of this coffee mug, and I want each picture to have a different color. So let's send a message and just wait for Manus to generate multiple pictures. And by the way, it is very important for you to be very explicit on your prompt. You want to mention that you want to generate multiple pictures or multiple variation of any picture. It will tell Manus that you're trying to get multiple pictures. If you are not explicit or not quite clear on your prompt, Manus AI might not be able to understand your instruction and might not be able to generate pictures. So it's very important to make sure that you are explicit on your prompt. Now this process will take quite a while. It will take maybe 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll just skip forward and show you the final result. Alright, after about 3 to 4 minutes, I got these different variations of the product, which I think look really awesome. So there's this red, and then there's also the green version, and of course there's the yellow version, which is appropriate because the original color was blue. So all the major colors were generated using Manus AI. By the way, even though I like this new addition or capability in Manus AI, there is something here that you need to know, that right now the image generation capability in Manus is not perfect. So previously I tried to create some pictures based on this t-shirt design, and it is not able to maintain the detail of the picture, like the text basically becoming unreadable. I don't know what is the AI image model that is being used by Manus, but if I'm allowed to speculate, or I think my educated guess is that it is using GPT image 1 model, which is good at text, but usually at some fine details it is not able to make sure or maintain the detail from the original photo. So that's one thing to keep in mind. But for everything else, I think Manus AI, especially the image generation capability, is so awesome. It is useful to generate multiple pictures, and it will save you time in the long run. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more tutorials in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.